Everyone is chasing Black Friday deals right now. Maybe saving $20 here, $50 there, maybe even a few $100s on a TV. But here's the truth. Those same saving habits, if redirected into your retirement, could save you tens of thousands of dollars more than any store discount ever will. And today I'm going to show you in our financial freedom video how Black Friday savings can become retirement savings and why this weekend is actually one of the most powerful reminders of how you can build wealth. So definitely stay locked in. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, certified financial planner and president and CEO of the Retirement Education Center.
And my name is Andrea Graves, Director of Operations at the Retirement Education Center. For additional concepts on how to maximize your retirement, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos.
Now, before we jump into our lesson today, there are always two rules to retirement income that we like to give you. And Andrea, what are those two rules?
Well, rule number 1 is to never run out of money, and rule number 2 is to never forget rule number 1. And by the way, if you want to go deeper into these kinds of retirement topics, Carson covers them step by step in his first published book, How to Retire with Confidence, 5 of the most common pitfalls that could derail your retirement. You can get it today on Amazon by clicking in the link in the description below. So now let's dive into our topic today.
When I'm working with clients, I hear people say that they want to save more for retirement all the time. They just don't know where to start. Yet, the moment that Black Friday hits, everyone turns into saving experts. They're hunting deals, they're comparing prices, they're setting their budgets, they're waiting for the right moment to buy. Now, what if we use that same deal hunting mindset, not just once a year, but towards your financial future as well? So my first point that I want to make about Black Friday is that when there's a goal set for people, they find the money. On Black Friday, people somehow learn how to skip unnecessary spending. They look for value, and they also try to stay disciplined when it comes to their money around this time of the year. Now, that exact behavior, the discipline, the intentional spending, the saving, that is the exact foundation for every successful retirement plan. My next point that I want to make on how you can use Black Friday to enhance your retirement is that you can look at redirecting those savings. Now, let's say that you're budgeting for Black Friday for $500, but you found that item that you wanted to buy for $350. So there you've saved $150. So what if you took that $150 and just redirected it into your savings? Well, if you did that just one time at 7% interest, that money in 20 years will be worth about $580. Not a big deal. But what if you did that every year for 20 years? That money can grow to over $6,000. And if you did it for another 5 years, that $150 that you're just putting away and redirecting from Black Friday would have grown to nearly $10,000. Now, that's all from buying things on sale and putting those savings to work in your retirement savings. And the last point that I want to make on how Black Friday matters to retirees, Black Friday behavior can lead to retirement behavior. Just think about what you're doing. You're planning ahead. You're comparing your options. You're sticking to a budget. And you are avoiding emotionally driven purchases. This is exactly how retirees can stay financially secure. The people who retire comfortably that I've worked with aren't always the highest earners. They are the ones who consistently make small and smart decisions along the way to retirement. So what can you do this Black Friday if you're watching this video? Here's the challenge that I have for each and every one of you. Figure out how much you have saved from all the deals, the discounts, or price matching. 2, take that amount and invest it into a Roth IRA, maybe your TSP account, your 401k, your brokerage account. Take that money and invest it into those particular retirement investment vehicles. And 3, make that your new Black Friday tradition. Every Black Friday, invest whatever you save from all the shopping and discounts and deals and price matching into your retirement account. Because if you do that, you can turn the world's biggest spending day into your biggest wealth building day. So the moral of this video is that Black Friday deals are going to fade. TVs, of course, will get old and the gadgets are going to become outdated. But the money that you invest today, that buys your financial freedom for tomorrow. And we would love to hear from you. What did you save on this Black Friday? And are you planning to invest any of it? Please drop us a comment in the section below and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more retirement smart ideas like this. And remember, every situation is different. So be sure to speak to a certified financial planner in your area who can help you with these types of retirement concepts.
After this video, please check out our other videos that will give you tips on how to maximize your retirement. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers. Please note that these videos are created for educational purposes only, and that you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. Also, if you are looking for an independent fiduciary advisor to help you with these types of complex financial matters, we highly recommend that you utilize the links in our description below and go ahead and schedule a 1-hour free consultation with us today.